Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy and manage in-app subscription on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now find the app you want to subscribe to or open the app directly if you already have it installed. In the app, look for Subscribe, Premium or Upgrade button. Tap it to see available subscription plans. Usually you will see weekly, monthly or yearly options. Select the plan that works for you. The price will appear and Apple will show you that your payment will be billed to your Apple ID. Tap confirm to continue. Apple will ask you to verify your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Once confirmed, your subscription starts immediately and you can access the premium features in the app. To manage or cancel your subscription, open settings and tap on your name at the top. After that, tap on subscription. Here you will see all active subscription, change plans or cancel anytime before the next billing date. Always check the price and renewable period before confirming and remember subscription auto renew unless you cancel. That's it. Now you can safely enjoy all your app subscription. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.